Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions. Set number 4. Number 1. Nichrome wire used in electric heaters produces heat by using a known resistance. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Number 2. Electric heat can achieve high efficiency, but the cost to produce heat is more expensive than other sources of heat, such as fossil fuels like A. Coal, B. Oil, C. Gas, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Number 3. Which of the following are the main advantages of electric heat? A. Low equipment cost, B. Low installation cost, C. Low maintenance cost, D. High efficiency, or E. All of the above. Correct answer is E. All of the above. Number 4. In a home where electric heat is used, an insulation of blank R value is installed to prevent high heat loss to the surroundings. A. 0, B. Low, C. High, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. High. High R value. Number 5. Resistance coils used for electric heating transfer heat by infrared rays of blank. A. Conduction, B. Radiation, C. Convection, or D. Combustion. Correct answer is B. Radiation. Number 6. Radiant heat travels in a straight line and its heat concentration decreases by the blank of the distance. A. Twice, B. Square, C. Cube, D. Square root. Correct answer is B. Square. Number 7. Quartz and glass panels heaters are used to heat small spaces by A. Conduction, B. Convection, C. Radiation, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Radiation. Number 8. Heaters that use fans to move air over the heating elements and into the space are called A. Forced convection heaters, B. Conduction heaters, C. Radiation heaters, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Forced convection heaters. Number 9. Most modern gas valves operate at A. 12 volts, B. 24 volts, C. 36 volts, or D. 48 volts. Correct answer is B. 24 volts. Number 10. Furnaces are categorized by venting characteristics. A. True, B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Number 11. Vaporization can be increased by blank pressure on liquid. A. Decreasing. B. Increasing. C. Keeping the same. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Decreasing. Number 12. If the temperature is kept constant, an increase in volume will cause a proportional increase in pressure. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is B. False. 13. Which temperature the temperature at which oil starts to produce a waxy substance? A. Flash point. B. Fire point. C. Flux point. D. Pour point. Correct answer is C. Flux point. Number 14. Blank uses helical rotors to compress suction vapors. A. Reciprocating compressor. B. Centrifugal compressor. C. Scroll compressor. D. Screw compressor. Correct answer is D. Screw compressor. Number 15. Increase in evaporator heat load will evaporate the refrigerant blank. A. Slower. B. Faster. C. Steadily. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Faster. Number 16. Which is not to be used near flammable materials? A. Electronic leak detector. B. Soap and bubble. C. Halide leak detector. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Halide leak detector. Number 17. Propane and butane are heavier than air. A. True. Let's just need to make something here. Is this A. True? Sorry about that. Number 17. Propane and butane are heavier than air. Is this statement A. True or B. False? Correct answer is A. True. Okay, that's it. That's the end of this video. Hope to see you again in the next video. Cheers. Have a good one.